Hello everyone. In a short while we will be starting. Sorry for the interruption. Should we start? Is audio video clear? Okay, it is starting. Good evening, Dr. R.P. Soni. Good evening. Jai Shri Krishna. Okay, so we are starting here. Right. So we studied. Yes, yes, we are starting. We are missing you, Dr. Rachna. Are you there? Yeah. So, what we studied was that this is the inlet, this is the inlet, plane of inlet, and this is plane of outlet, right? And this is the cavity. Is it okay? Is it okay? All of you are clear with this? Yeah, it's now all clear. Let's do it fast. Pelvis is basically a cylindrical cavity, right? And this is plane of inlet, plane of inlet. This is outlet, right? Now this is our true pelvis, right? This is our true pelvis. And now what is the inlet? What is the inlet in true pelvis? See, this is the inlet of our pelvis, right? Then what is this pelvis? What is this pelvis? This one, this upper pelvis. What is this pelvis called? Yes, anyone? What is this upper pelvis called? This is false pelvis. Okay? This is false pelvis. Right? The pelvis which is below this is the true pelvis. Okay? The pelvis which is below this is true pelvis. And these are the two elas. This is one ela and this is another ela. Okay, this is another ela. Is it okay? Okay. Now the pelvis in which there is single ela, what is it called? Naegeli's pelvis. Single ela. Right? It is called Naegeli's pelvis. The pelvis in which both the elas are missing. Both the elas, they are missing. It is Robert pelvis. It is Robert pelvis. Yes, very good, Dr. R.P. Soni. It is Robert pelvis. Now, every inlet has its diameter. Okay? Now, this is the inlet. Every inlet has its diameter. This is antero-posterior diameter. The one which goes antero-posterior. Okay? This is the transverse diameter. Right? And this is the oblique diameter. This is the oblique diameter. Every plane has 3 diameters. Is it okay? Okay. Every plane has 3 diameters. What are those? Antero-posterior diameters, transverse diameters, and oblique diameters. Is it okay? Right? And oblique diameters. Done? Okay. Now, when we are studying, we only study small diameters. Okay. If the question, very good, very good. If the question comes, which is the smallest diameter, then, right? Now, whenever we study the shortest diameters, right? Right? So, right? So we study the shortest diameters. So in this inlet, the anteroposterior diameters are shortest diameters. Shortest diameters. And they are called conjugate diameters. Conjugate diameters. Is it okay? Is it okay? In inlet, we will be studying only the AP diameters. Okay? We will be studying only the AP diameters. Okay? Okay? Is it okay? And the AP diameters, they are called conjugate diameters. Right? There are 3 conjugates. There are 3 conjugates. Just see here. Anatomical conjugate or true conjugate. Which is the ideal conjugate? Okay, obstetrical conjugate is the another conjugate and diagonal conjugate is the another conjugate. Is it okay? Okay. Now you tell me. Now you tell me ki what is anatomical conjugate? Please see in the diagram. Form the upper border of the pubic symphysis to the, yes, to the sacral promontory, right? Form the upper border of pubic symphysis to the sacral promontory. Right? Form the upper border of the